Okay, look, the river's back here full of water, so pretty nice. So yeah, pretty awesome. Like there's a little coyote for YouTube right there. See that coyote? He's a little baby just watching me. Come here, are you hungry, buddy? Come on, coyote. Come on, guy. You wanna be my little friend? Arr, arr, arr. Arr, arr, arr. It's pretty awesome, huh? Okay, this is the river. It is way more full now, look. It's actually way full. I won't take the bike to here this time. Hell no. Hell no, not again, buddies. I'll get stuck, definitely. And then it's rushing, look, so it's running through pretty good. I'm surprised. We did get a lot of rain, though. And we still got more today, and we got some yesterday. But look at that. Looks like the Rio Grande today. Plenty of water for the brute force, but not today. Hell no. Look at that, that's deep, man. Definitely I'd be getting stuck, definitely. Wow, I'm glad. I haven't seen this river run that great in a long time. Remember, I was going through the river through here. Look at how full it is, man. It's pretty out here today. Nice. Thank you, Jesus, for all that rain we had. Look at all the land. It's green, green, green. Definitely very deep, because this side right here has a good drop down in there, and it's actually, the water's pretty high up here, so that's freaking amazing. Awesome. Wow, look at this side. Whoa, damn, this side's definitely deep. Wow, man. Look how pretty it is out here, man. Badass Chante right there. Look at this beautiful place. Water's running through places it hasn't ran through in a long time. Wonderful. That's what we need. Beautiful. This is the Mora River. Water's almost to touch the pipe. Not much, but it's pretty deep. Look at those clouds. Looks cool. Yeah, and then there's that right there. Sweet. I just went through it. It's pretty deep. And you know, it wasn't there a while ago, but you seen all the river water up in the top of the mountain when I went earlier. And now that I came down, I seen it running this way. I just knew it'd take a little while to get here. Finally, it hit it. So let's do this shit. Start up the bike. Damn, got my shoe wet. And I was hoping I wouldn't, but I sure did. Got it nice and wet. There you go. See you on the next video.